Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful pattern. It has 6 petals in the middle and then a square is formed. It's yet again a convertible crochet pattern. So it is titled as 6 petal granny square pattern. So let us go into the video directly without much delay. So make a magic ring. Secure it, and in the magic ring make one single. Now chain 3, one single 11 more times. Chain 3, one single, so 11 more times. Totally you'll have 12 single crochets and 12 chain spaces. So I shall meet you at the end of this round. I've come to the end of this round here. Now we need to, instead of chain 3, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the very first single crochet. So that will bring us to the center of the chain. Now in this chain, place a single crochet, chain 1 and then place a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in next chain space. So continue the entire round in this manner. So continue, I shall meet you where I began. I've come to the end of this round here. Again chain 1 and a half double crochet in the very first single crochet that we did, so that the chain comes to the middle of this round. Now chain 1, place a single crochet, chain 6, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain space, chain 6. So alternatively chain 6 and chain 3 and place single crochet in the chain spaces. So at the end of this round you will have 6 chain 6 spaces, 6 chain 3 spaces all around. So complete the round. I shall get back when I reach at this particular stitch here. We come to the last leg here. So instead of chaining 3 and slip stitching, chain 1 and make a double crochet in the very first single crochet that we did, so that we come to the center of the chain. Now chain 1 and place a single crochet in the same chain space. This is the first single crochet. Now make 5 doubles, chain 2 5 doubles in chain 6 space. Chain 2 5 doubles again. So 5 doubles, chain 2 5 doubles. Now in the next chain 3 space, one single crochet. So continue the round in this manner. I shall meet you where I began here. Single crochet in chain 3 space, 5 doubles, chain 2 5 doubles in chain 6, single crochet, again the corner, that is a petal, single crochet, again the petal. We've come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch, join and fasten off. We'll go to the second color in the next round. So the 6th petal is ready. Now let us go to the next round with another color. For the next subsequent rounds, I am going to use Baby Aran Cake Yarn 3039. These are the color ranges in it. So to begin, let us slip stitch into chain 2 space of any petal, and make a chain 1 and then make a single crochet in the same petal. Then chain 6, a treble in the next single crochet. The next single crochet is here. Chain 6 again, single in the chain 2 space. So this is the pattern. Repeat this pattern on all the petals. I shall get back when I complete it here. We come to the end of this round here. Instead of chaining 6 and slip stitching, chain 3 and make a double in the first chain so that the yarn is drawn to the center. Now make 2 doubles, so we'll come back and finish this corner. Chain 2, 3 doubles in the next chain 6 space, again chain 2, 3 doubles in next chain 3 space, chain 6 space, chain 2. Now we are going to work the corner. Corner is 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, chain 2 and go to the corner, 3 doubles, these baby cake iron yarns are fast color changing yarns. So you'll have splash of colors in your work. So from here to here is one side. So complete the other 3 sides. I shall meet you where I began. We've come to the end of the round here. I've chained 2. Now place 3 doubles. We have to complete this corner. Chain 3 and 1 double because we started with 2 doubles. And now slip stitch and join to the very first stitch or the third chain of the chain 3. So I'm just, let me take a smaller hook, it goes better. Yeah, this is the loop in which I need to slip stitch into. Okay. So pull this back. Now chain 1 and this is a SC round, so 1 single crochet in each of the DCs, and under chain 2 spaces we make 2 single crochets. So we begin our first single crochet here, place the second, and in the chain 2 space 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet each on each of the DCs. Two single crochets under chain 2, I shall complete this side. In the corner it is 2 singles, chain 2, 2 singles. this is the working for one side from here to here. So these two stitches are on the corner stitches. Okay, complete the single crochet round. I shall complete and get back when I am here. I've come to the end of this round here. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch round so that this gets a better definition in the side edges. To begin that, so I'm going to slip stitch into the back loop of the very first single crochet that I did. Sorry, directly make, and one slip stitch in each of the single crochets in the back loop. So continue till the corner. I shall tell you what to do in the corner. So we've reached the corner here. There are 2 chains that we made, so slip stitch into each of the chains. As simple as that. Then slip stitch into every stitch that we made all around. And when you come to the corner in those 2 chains, you need to slip stitch. So I shall slip stitch all around and get back to you. Completed the slip stitch round and made the invisible join. And here we have the 6-pointed flower granny square motif. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.